Hey guys, Aussie3876 here. Thought I might do another unboxing video with you today. I've got Black Manta Deep Sea Strike 76027. It's a pretty cool set. You've got 4 minifigs, and you've got 2 vehicles, a little shark, and then this little thing here. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. We're going to open it like this today from the tip. So we're going to open the box up like this. Just got to get it first. Okay, let's have a look what we've got inside here. And this is a better way to store your Lego boxes by opening like this, so you know that it's not going to get crunched up or anything. Yeah, so here we go. We've got, I believe, 4 numbered bags. That's number 3. Let me get a focus on that. There you go. Number 2. Oh, number 4. Number 1. And number 5. So we do get 5 numbered bags. And we've got all this stuff. Oh, and we've got a little cord. So we have 3 instruction booklets. Don't know why they did it, just put them in one big booklet, like they did with the Joker Land set. So yeah, 3 booklets. Probably building the backbone. So that's everything you get. Then you get your comic book. Very nice. So that is everything you get. 5 numbered bags, a little cord out of the box, the instruction booklet, and booklets, and your comic book. Alright guys, see you later. Bye.